monoxide is an invisible, odorless, and deadly gas that can be produced by any fuel-burning device. Known as the silent killer, carbon monoxide, or CO poisoning, is the #1 cause of accidental deaths in the United States, responsible for an average of 450 deaths and more than 20,000 emergency room visits each year. Many states have legislation requiring carbon monoxide alarms. First alert carbon monoxide alarms detect this poisonous gas and provide early warning, helping protect your home and family. First Alert offers many different types of carbon monoxide alarms. There are plug-in alarms, there are tabletop alarms, and there are CO alarms that are also smoke alarms with both types of sensors inside them. These can be mounted on your ceiling or wall. With First Alert 10-year sealed battery alarms, there are no battery replacements for the life of the alarm. It is important to install carbon monoxide alarms on every level and in every bedroom. If your carbon monoxide alarm does sound, leave immediately for fresh air and call 911. It is key that you test your carbon monoxide alarms regularly. If you have battery-operated alarms, replace batteries every 6 months. Alarms don't last forever, so be safe and replace your alarm every 5 to 10 years, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. First Alert CO alarms have an end-of-life warning, letting you know when it's time to replace. Professionally service your furnace, dryer vent, and chimney every year according to manufacturer's instructions. First Alert, protecting homes and families since 1958. For more information about fire safety, go to firstalert.com.
There's a comfort in taking steps to prepare for any emergency. Consider these ideas that may make you feel a little bit more at ease. Take a video to record everything that's of value to you. The last thing you want to worry about is forgetting what you had when you're reporting the losses to your insurance company. Update your outdated alarm and consider installing a combination unit that also detects carbon monoxide. Buying alarms that have a 10-year built-in battery is a great way to avoid those low battery chirps. Some of the most common places to store a fire extinguisher are under the kitchen sink, in an attic, in a garage, and in a bedroom. If you already have a smoke detector and are looking to add a carbon monoxide alarm, there are some that just plug into the wall, which means immediate installation. Place important papers in a fire-resistant safe. For complete information on fire preparedness, contact your local fire department.
Have you ever wondered, is that thing even working? Oh, it just blinked. Red. Is that bad? Should I be worried? Why do we put up with this? Meet Nest Protect. It's designed with advanced technology to sense smoke and carbon monoxide. Can give you an early warning before an alarm.
Heads up. There's smoke in the kitchen.
And if you know everything's okay, you don't have to run around trying to quiet it down. Just hush it from your phone.
Smoke alarm silenced.
Nest Protect tells you where the danger is, so you know what to do and where to go.
Emergency. There's carbon monoxide in the living room. Move to fresh air.
And it can send an alert, so you know what's going on, even if you're not home.
The carbon monoxide alarm is over.
At night, it lights your way. And shows you it's tested its batteries and everything's okay. So everyone can sleep safe and sound. Nest Protect. It's time to know more and worry less.
Each year, more than 20,000 Americans are accidentally poisoned by carbon monoxide. This odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas is produced by common fuel-burning appliances such as a furnace, water heater, fireplace, gas stove or grill, an automobile, or a portable generator. If broken, installed incorrectly, or not properly ventilated, carbon monoxide can build up in your home, causing illness or death. 75% of U.S. homes have a potential source of CO, but only half of homeowners have installed a working CO alarm. It's the only safe way to detect this silent killer. The new Kidde worry-free carbon monoxide alarms help make protection hassle-free. The alarms feature the first CO sensor proven to last 10 years, offering nearly twice the life as other models. And the worry-free CO alarms contain a sealed-in lithium battery that provides continuous power for a decade. That means no batteries to replace and no low battery chirps. The Kidde worry-free CO alarms are UL listed and easy to install, place on a table, or mount on the wall. A digital display screen will show the level of CO in the area and update the reading every 15 seconds. CO poisonings can happen anytime, anywhere, to anyone. Rest easy with Kidde worry-free CO alarms and help protect your family for a decade.
Hi, I'm Captain Joe Bruni. Inside the residential dwelling where fossil fuels are being used, such as kerosene heaters, natural gas for appliances like hot water heaters or cooking surfaces like ranges or cooktops, or even garages that are connected to the dwelling where a car could be left running, constitutes a concern for carbon monoxide. The typical carbon monoxide detector could be installed very simply like the smoke alarm or smoke detector is installed. The first step would be to install the 9-volt battery if it's a battery operated CO detector or combination 110 volt battery backup CO detector. Plug the 9-volt battery into the terminals and place the battery inside the storage space or the carriage for that battery. The next step for the CO detector is decide how and where you want to mount it. Typically, the CO detector could be mounted at eye level and plugged into a 120 volt circuit, such as this one. This CO detector also has a removable power supply and short amount of cord where it can be placed in other areas. If there's not a receptacle or wall outlet nearby, this short cord can be used to reach one. This CO detector can also be used as a stand-up model to be placed somewhere on a shelf or a tabletop if wall space is not available. I'm Chief Joe Bruni. Stay safe.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.